Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to invite contacts, friends to Telegram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Telegram app. Okay, then your all channel and groups. Okay, then tap on call option and click on contacts to show your all contacts friend. Okay, just tap on any person. Okay, and send message and to invite contacts friends to Telegram. That's all. Show your all contacts friend. Just click and invite Telegram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.